HISD's Pin Oak Middle School is known for its strong academics, supportive staff, and standout campus culture. A big reason why 6th grade English teacher Chase May loves teaching here.
I came to Pin Oak in 2017 as a reading intervention teacher, and then last year was moved over to English.
It's a move that Miss May says was made possible thanks to her principal.
Miss Bella saw it in me that I might be better used to reach more students, and so she placed me in the 6th grade English role.
With her eyes set on the new school year, Miss May says she's building on the incredible gains her class saw last year.
Last year was my first year, but I had such a great year. My scores were through the roof for my 6th graders, so that is awesome, and that's just motivated me even more for this year.
And even though her class did so well last year, Miss May says this year they're aiming to do even better.
It gives me a lot of room to see very clearly what I need to tweak, what subgroups I might need to focus on, how am I going to support those students.
A collaborative and supportive teaching and learning environment is part of what makes Pin Oak Middle School a place where teachers and students thrive.
But if you just were able to walk the halls, you'll see it on the faces of the students. They're smiling, the teachers are smiling. I mean, it's not an easy job, you know, as teachers and as students, and just the feeling around here is really, really positive, and we need that on a day-to-day basis, right, in order to do our job and do it well.